What's up, guys? So on today's video I got a little surprise for y'all, but anyways, first things first, I got my parts in for my Dodge Hellcat, and my parts are the roof skin. It finally came in. I got a cross brace I gotta get welded on today. That's one of the things on the agenda. The second thing is I got something that I usually wouldn't have bought, but stay tuned. We'll see here. What's up, guys? Check this out. See, here's the piece that I ordered from the Dodge dealership. It looks pretty nice. I mean, it's all nice and black, but anyways, we're gonna get this thing welded up right here in the middle. There it goes. So once that roof seal lays over the top of this, it's gonna have a little bit more structure, a little bit more rigidity, and then we'll go ahead and spot weld everything up, seam seal it, scuff it, and prep it for the paint. And so much for that. We got a big, huge ding-a-ling right here, a big old dent with this roof skin, so I'm not gonna bother with it. I'm gonna send it back, get a new one. But until then, let's go ahead and check out the new project we got. Here it is. 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 Duramax Denali Silver. What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. So on today's video I got a couple things I gotta do, and one of them is get back to that Hellcat project that I've been so taking forever. What's up, guys? So on today's video, don't trip, there's many things that I gotta do today, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this project done. The one thing that I gotta do is get this door, this beautiful, lovely red door. I gotta put it on that white car. We gotta get it all sanded up, scuffed up, get all the little nicks and dings and dents out of it. This door right here has a few scratches. I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is actually remove all these scratches. I'm gonna remove all these parts. See, like this door molding that goes around this window. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this glass. Now that I got the door removed on this side and I got it removed on the other side, the thing that I have left to do is gotta remove this trunk, gotta remove the rear bumper cover, gotta remove these taillights. Beautiful, nice, shiny LED taillights. As you can see, this is an SRT Hellcat, a real one. Check this out. I mean, this car is looking so much better already. Got the bumper mounted on, the trunk mounted on, the quarter panel all scuffed up, the door mounted on. Still got a few more things I gotta do to it. That ain't no big deal. Just check this out. I mean, this car is starting to look so much better already. The fender on and the door. So for a quick little tip, if you want to scuff a lot quicker and get the job done so much faster and easier, use the 3M Scuff It compound. Alright guys, so once you got your panel all prepped up, all scuffed up like this, all nice and even everywhere, what you want to do is to clean off all this compound, you just go over it and just first rinse it all off with water and a rag and some soap and just like you're washing the car. Now that we moved on to the other side, so that door was pretty complicated to kind of get some of these parts off, this door handle, but once we figured it out, it was actually pretty easy. So what I'm going to do right now is do a little how-to video on how to remove this door panel and make it a little bit easier for you to understand how to get this door handle off. Alright, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove some of these bits and pieces, like this little thing, because there's actually a screw down in there. Go ahead and unscrew it. You'll need a chisel or a sharp knife, some kind of sharp blade to get this glue off of here, because once you get it off, you're actually going to have to reapply this. Now that we got all this door stripped down, we got the door panel off, the glass off, now let's move on to this door handle. How do we get this thing off, man? It's so complicated. Well, first thing we want to do, because we actually want to paint this painted part, it's actually plastic. What you do, you can go back behind this plastic, it just pops off. Just like that, that's all.